The Honorable of Judges, respected audience, and everyone here today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Putri. I am a human who lives on the earth, standing here before to deliver my speech. The planet in the third solar system, namely Earth. Earth is one of the planets that can be a place to live for human civilizations. Humans are creators of the mind and are supposed to take care of the Earth. Earth and humans are two elements in the universe that are dynamically changing every time. Humans have evolved from being subject to nature, then defending on nature, and then taking advantage of nature. Humans often overuse the earth so that we can see the damage caused by humans to the earth. Damage to the environment can result in change to the characteristic of the environment and environmental elements, which can result in the function of the environment and the importance of the environment being disturbed for life, and even no longer able to function properly. Climate change is nothing new. Previously, the global climate was always changing. Millions of years ago, some areas of the world that were previously covered by ice were turned into land due to fluctuation in solar radiation or volcanic eruptions. The term climate change is often used interchangeable with the term global warming, even though the phenomenon of global warming is only part of climate change, because climate parameters are not only temperature, but there are other alleged parameters such as precipitation, cloud condition, wind, and solar radiations. Global warming is an increase in the average temperature of the atmosphere close to the Earth's surface and in the troposphere, which can contribute to change in global climate patterns. Global warming occurs as a result of increasing greenhouse gas, or GHG, emission in the atmosphere. The increase in the intensity of the greenhouse effect that occurs due to the presence of gas in the atmosphere that absorb heat rage, namely inverted emitted by the Earth, cause global climate change. Climate change is influenced by several things. First, it is influenced by the position of the sun's proximity to the Earth. As the sun approaches, the Earth receives more radiation. This radiation helps the process of convection, or the rise of water vapor into the sky. Second, environmental condition. Whether the area is mountainous, hilly, forested, or sandy, mountainous or hilly areas affect air movement. Mountains or hills help the air move upwards. The air that lifts up or into the sky facilitates the process of forming clouds. Third, a place near or far from a water source, such as the sea or lake. Areas close to water source have a higher chance of experiencing rainfall than areas far from water source. This is due to the large evaporation rate in the area close to the water source. Because of this, Indonesia has much higher rainfall than the Australian Alps, apart from being located near the equator. Indonesia is also surrounded by vast oceans. Fourth, climate change is also influenced by aerosols scattered in the atmosphere. Aerosols are fine particles in gas and the air. Aerosols can come from deserts, dust, volcanic eruption, are from human activities such as motorage and factory fuels. Of the four effects of climate change, there are several ways to overcome them. The first way to deal with climate change is to plant trees. The second method is to invite others to participate in the environmental conversation. Then the reduce, reuse, and recycle is a simple step as a way to overcome climate change. Lastly, by reducing the use of private motorized vehicles, which means fewer emissions. Our planet's alarm is going off, and it is time to wake up and take action. Leonardo DiCaprio. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, this is all for my speech. I hope we have learned something new from it and enjoy it. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.